Let's see what a blizzard looks like on the outside. You're not going to be able to hear me because it's blowing so hard, so I'll just show you around the property. This is all from last night. Oh God! Okay. This drift is 2 feet tall. There's another 2 drifts. I don't think I'm gonna make it to work today, fellas. I can't even see my house. It's so bad the dogs didn't even follow me out there. F that, huh, buddy? This is what the inside of my house looks like by the dog door.